Welcome to my YouTube channel, From My Heart to Your Table, Chef Rebecca Polanco. Today I want to show you one of the favorite of all my recipe for my friends and family. It is black beans. We call these black beans BBB because it's Becky, as my nickname, my family called me, and black beans. So I use Goya. I use dry black beans Goya. You can use any brand or no brand at all. This is 14 ounce. I'm going to make two because I promised some of my friends I was making it and I will give them some. So 2 bags is about 28 ounces of dry black beans. The only thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to cook them. Because I use a pressure cooker, I do not soak them overnight. I put it straight on my pressure cooker, and the only thing I put in there is 1 and 2 bay leaves. And I like the flavor for the beans. Can explain to you why. I just like the flavor. I love having the bay leaves in there. I already rinsed my black beans with cold water. My pressure cooker has 2 marks for the minimum and the max. And because it's 2 bags of black beans, I'm going to put it to the max. If you're not going to make it in a pressure cooker, I recommend to start about half a gallon of water for 1 bag of beans to cook it over the stove and 1 bay leaf. But like I said, I'm making 2 bags because my friends are waiting for me to make this so that they can enjoy it. And I'm going to cook it for 45 minutes. Most of my beans that I make, I cook it for 45 minutes because I like them to be soft. 15, 20 minutes are not going to cook it enough for them to be soft. So when I cook them in 45 minutes, I will come back to show you how we finish these delicious beans. Welcome back to my channel. I want to finish the black beans that we started and we was cooking it. So like I said before, I cooked 2 bags of Goya dry black beans and I put 2 bay leaves. Okay, I did cook it for 45 minutes and as you can see, they are nice and soft. So what I'm going to prepare now is the seasoning that I put after they are soft. In this little fry pan, we are going to mix all the ingredients. I add, because remember, we're doing everything double because usually I do 1 bag. When I do 1 bag, I do 1 chicken base. Today we're doing 2. And I have ground oregano, and we're going to do 1 teaspoon. We're going to add all these ingredients and we're going to saute it. And we're going to put the black beans back on the fire and add them up to the black beans. And then we are going to let them cook slow so that they can get in there. And we're going to do 1/4 of a teaspoon of black pepper and a half a teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning, Goya. I'm not trying to do advertisement, but I like Goya and I use it. I've been using it for a long time. Then we are going to put in there 1 tablespoon of salt. I like to do less because you can always add a little bit more, and that way we don't have salty beans. Now this is the main ingredient on my beans. If you don't know what is this, well, this is green peppers, onions, cilantro, garlic, and I blend this in my blender, put it in this container, and that way I don't have to chop green peppers, onions, and all this every single day when I'm cooking. So I make a couple of batches. I freeze them in the same container, and then I take it to the refrigerator when I'm running low, and I use it. And it's still fresh and it still has the flavor. So we're gonna add 2 little bit big spoons, and we're going to saute that with 1/3 cup of oil, vegetable oil. We're going to saute all these ingredients. Now, I do not add any tomato sauce to the black beans. If I was doing red beans, and then yes, I will add tomato sauce, but I don't, because the black beans are gonna get thick and they don't need any sauce. Okay, so we're going to saute this, make sure everything is mixed together, and when they are, and let's break up the chicken base a little bit so it doesn't take that long. So when everything is saute is only a couple of minutes. It's not that long, about 2 minutes. We're gonna add it to the black beans, put it in medium in the fire. We're gonna let them cook slow, and we come back to see how thick they are, and then I show you the final product. So if you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, and also hit like so that we know that you enjoy this video.